Hello guys, welcome to CreatorCast. So it's rare occasions when I wait almost 2 years to review a product, and this MI Bluetooth, this esports earphones are one of those. I purchased them in 2019 around April, May. I think it's May, April 2019 when it was almost launched without any reviews at all. So this unboxing I did when I purchased that, like you can see in a snapshot. I purchased it twice. I probably purchased it for someone else too, and it was launched at the same time. And one funny incident happened almost 2-3 days before I purchased these earphones in 2019. One of my friend asked for some recommendations for a Bluetooth earphone. Now, since his budget was under 2000, I went with the ones with having good reviews or which were promoted by some famous YouTubers. And then I found these after he purchased, and it was without reviews. It was like zero review at that time. And then I thought, okay, it's from MI, it will be a cool product to review. So I ordered it. And the sound difference from these MI versus those which was promoted by quite a lot of famous YouTubers, like a lot of YouTubers in comedy or travel section, they were promoting that brand a lot, and the sound difference was, forget me, even he was able to make out clearly that sound difference was quite big of a deal. So guys, when it comes to these electronics, you should never go for the products which are just plainly promoted by famous people or YouTubers or even sports persons. You should always do some of the research. Now at that time this was around 1500 Indian rupees, which is like around $25 in US. But the thing is that now they cost around 1200, and the same thing can be achieved within like sales and using credit card offers. So at that price, these earphones sound amazing, guys. Trust me, I know a thing or two about earphones, headphones, sound quality. Not that level of audiophile, nothing like that. But for a casual fun listening, again, I'm talking about casual fun listening, not the plain detail, the sound quality which audiophiles expect. No, these are almost V-shape, not too bassy, not that muddy bass that you can feel the air coming out of the diaphragms and they are vibrating as if like there is no tomorrow. No, nothing like that, nothing crazy about that. The sound coming, it's like melodious, it sounds good, the bass is good, which a lot of people, especially Indian people, prefer. And then there is a clarity. Now before I move forward, guys, there are two reasons why you might not feel the same thing about a particular earphone than other individuals or even the majority. Always remember, find the perfect fit and let your earphones burn out if they are new. Then start judging, and Amazon and all companies usually give you a return period or even exchange period if something wrong happens. Remember, immediately after purchasing, plug in your earphones, or if these are Bluetooth ones, plug in them, connect them with the phones and leave them at 50% volume with a different genre songs. And the next day, or after 12 hours or 14 or 28 hours, the difference you will hear will be like major difference. The sound, I told you, it's pleasing, it's amazing. It's not too bassier side that you feel like, okay, I'm exhausted. It's good, it's bassier, and once its burnout period is over, you can hear them quite well. The second thing which I like about these earphones are that they are quite a snug fit. The tip, it was a unique and it was a good design. I'm pretty sure they should not go away with this design. It fits almost all the ears. There is no sharp point in these ear hooks which is hurting your ear. So that is the second thing. The fit is quite well. The third thing was that some people said the wire is flimsy, but guys, it's been almost 1.5 to 2 years. I have not found issue with these. Again, I have multiple earphones, so I keep switching with them. But then again, if these earphones last even for an year, it's worth spending the money. Now next good thing is the voice clarity, which is good when this mic is close to your face. Now the fourth benefit is it comes with the controls, which is like increase or decrease the volume or pause and play or connect or disconnect calls, things like that. Fifth benefit is it is a bit sweat and water resistant, which I have not tested frankly. I had a bizarre idea that once it's raining quite heavily, I will wear these earphones, and since the phone is waterproof, I will go and run and see how it performs. I never did that. Pretty sure I will do it, but I'm pretty sure I will do it in the future. Let me know if I should do that or not. And the last benefit which I found about them was the price. Guys, the thing is that we all prefer the earphones which sound good, but we also have to understand that the sound, this is what should I say, it's kind of a subjective thing, but it comes at a price if you want good sounding earphones. Now if we leave the hype aside, there are very few earphones or the brands which are actually delivering. On the battery they say 9 hours, practically it lasts anywhere around 6 to 7.5 or 8 hours. I've never truly compared okay how much the battery I'm getting, but battery is respectable, I would say, considering the size, weight and everything. And they are now almost a year and a half old, and battery do degrades with time. Now I never thought that these would last me so long, but they did, and I never expected that they would sound good. It's not amazing. That is why I would like to list few cons. Number one being the sound is not that detailed which you get from wired earphones. So the level of detail, the level of vocals clarity, treble is more on the wired, good quality, obviously around 1500 rupees or 1200 rupees wired earphones. The second thing which I don't like about them, it's kind of a design flaw, or what should I don't know, maybe they can do something. If you see these earphones, this is quite on the edge. Now what happens is the earphone starts tilting on one end when running and or gradually walking faster, things like that. Once you're sitting idle, it's completely okay. So that is something which kind of feels irritating when the earphones are pulling on one particular direction. Now third thing you can say, again it's a subjective thing, the design is not inspiring enough so that you might feel okay, there are flashy earphones. Like I said, it's a subjective thing. If you care only about longevity and the sound quality, it should not matter you much. It's been almost 1.5 years, many earphones have come out, and now the new generation, the next trend is of the wireless buds, like truly wireless buds. MI has, all the other companies have. But if you still want to go with the sound quality, I would say try these if any of your friend have, or if you want to give them a try by purchasing them new, sure, why not. These, again, if their quality are still the same like they were selling when they launched these, if the quality remains the same and quality control is there, I'm pretty sure you will not be disappointed with them, considering they fit you well and you give them some time to burn out. So it was a quick review, but then again I waited almost 1.5 years to review that, because it did last me the end of 2020, and this is end of 2020. So that was all I had for you today, guys. I will list down the link to purchase these. It's an affiliate link in the Amazon. And if you have any questions regarding that, the battery, yeah, it lasts around 6-7 hours. So if you have anything similar questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. With that in mind, see you again, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.